How's it going? My name is Dylan with Dylanpickups, and we're talking about Nikita guitars today again. Dylanpickups and Nikita guitars, we obviously work together quite a bit. Today we took it out in the shop because we wanted to talk a little bit about why even order a hand-built guitar. What does hand-built guitar mean? And most importantly, why buy a Nikita? Why buy one of these as opposed to something else you see on the internet? Well, first of all, there's a lot of different custom or hand-built guitars that you can buy. Probably one of the most popular designs that you see out there is something along this line that is basically a Telecaster style guitar. So what makes a Nikita different? And what can you get on your Nikita to make it yours? Well, there's a few things. First of all, we do not build what we hear commonly a parts caster. These are all hand-built parts by Nikita, and the bodies are cut for the most part on a CNC machine, and then we have a hand-built line also that we hand carve. Now, some people may turn their nose up at that. However, the way we use a CNC machine is very interesting. We cut out the basic shape, we locate the bridge location and the neck pocket, and then we finish everything else by hand. So the body is in the CNC machine for a few minutes, getting basically roughed out, and the rest of the time is handwork. So kind of the trademark Nikita shape that you see and the Nikita neck pocket that you normally see, that's all done by hand. So all of that hand finishing, and of course the finishing itself is done by hand. For instance, this pick guard on this pine telly is done by hand. Everything, all the finishing is done by hand. Even the neck finish, the frets, the fret ends, all of that is all done by hand. So in addition to that, the nut is done by hand, as well as many of the knobs, the switching assemblies, and of course, the Dylanpickups hand-wound pickups. Everything's made in the United States, and it truly is a custom guitar. How can we say that? Well, let me show you a different guitar. This is a custom paint job that kind of sprung from the same series as our Rat Rod series. This is not one of our Rat Rod series guitars, but the basic build is. So this is pretty much based on a Rat Rod series 55 that can be had for 3 digits. So the custom built guitar can have the fret radius selected, the fretboard material selected, the body material selected, the pickup wind selected, and all of those things can be tailored to your needs. If we know ahead of time and we're building the guitar, we can set your string height and all that depending on how you play. Do you play hard? Do you play with a slide? Do you play real delicate? We can also pick which pickups you want, which switching you want, and all those sort of things can be optioned into a very affordable guitar. This particular guitar has, the custom paintwork, but it's basically an alder telly with a maple neck that could be had in this basic format for under $1,000. So custom guitar, yes. Parts guitar, absolutely not. But made for you, absolutely. Now, let's take this to another extreme. This is a 100% made for the player custom V. What can be selected in this guitar? Absolutely everything. 2 different types of babinga for the top and the back. Obviously we see it's a neck through with a custom radius neck, the custom depth neck, which, oh, I love this neck. I love, love, love this neck. The fretboard even the fret inlays, the materials, the pickups themselves. These pickups were made specifically for this guitar. This is a semi-hollow V with switching that you will not see. We're going to do a live demo of this guitar here in the next couple of weeks that you'll see. But the idea is, no matter what the concept, what you're looking for, we can build it for you. Is this guitar as economical as that one? Probably not. However, the possibilities and the imagination that is available should give you, a lot of ideas. That's the whole point. Switching combinations and various materials that we use for all that cannot be found in a mass-produced guitar can be found in our guitars for not a lot of money. So we can go from a basic to custom, semi-custom Telecaster style body to a full-blown idea out of thin air that nobody has seen except for on this one-of-a-kind Nikita guitar. Quality workmanship, quality materials, and really the most important thing is, from the time you decide to buy a guitar to the time you get it in your hands, we're going to be talking to you every step of the way. Me, personally, as the pickup builder, I'm going to make sure that I work with James, who is the wood luthier, that we build you the guitar that gets you the tone that you want, and talk to you specifically so it looks, plays, feels, and sounds exactly like you're looking for. That is really the Nikita and the Dylanpickups difference. That's what we do. We take guitar building, we put it back in your hands, and then we make sure we give you the results that you're looking for. So, if you have any questions, give us a call. If you want to play one at your local dealer, give us a call. Maybe we can work something out with that local dealer to give you an opportunity to play one of these guitars. If there's something that you have never seen before but you're thinking of that's keeping you up at night because you want it in your guitar, give us a call. I'm sure it can be done. Now, does that mean that you can't afford it? Absolutely not. Like we said, we have designs starting in the 3-digit range for a fully USA-made, hand-built custom guitar. Not a parts guitar, but a custom guitar. And that's exactly what we want our clients to have. If you have any questions, give us a call. Check out our website. Check out nikitaratrod.com for that guitar that's just under $1,000 bucks. Check out nikita.com. Talk to James about anything in your imagination, and check out dylanpickups.com because we can make it sound exactly like you want. That's what we do. Check us out on YouTube every week. We're going to be uploading a video every Wednesday or Thursday or so, once a week. So keep in contact with us. If you have any questions or comments, or you want to see anything, if you want to see some guitar effects, if you want to see some amps, if you want to see any more of our guitars, or an idea that you have never seen before and what if you just want us to build it? What if you want to see if it'll work? Let us know. I hope you have a good week.